But if you ever want to indirectly fish for a compliment or divert your attention to your shoes next time you're having, a conversation with someone, do the good old leg over knee move and see how they respond. Now, I'm no pickup artist here, but your boy has played the field a bit here and there. Know what I'm saying? And as someone who puts effort into the way they dress for dates, events, venues, and stuff, I decided to look back and share with you my most complimented dress shoes, as well as share with you, shoes that were not very hot, according to some women. But keep in mind that this is based solely on my experience. All right, let's get started. Now, I wish I could conduct a worldwide survey to get some solid stats here, but let's start with the most unloved dress shoe to the most loved. All right. Now, I hate to start it off with this shoe because I do love some brogues and wingtips, but I really don't get any love when I'm out with them. I do get other menswear enthusiasts to compliment them, but not with women. I had a few tell me that the design reminds them of their grandpa. I guess it's just a wingtip design or the broguing that they are judging and not like the shoe color or last itself. But yeah, I would say save these for more business casual outings and date nights or if you're just going out night out of town or something. Now, next shoe, it's not hated, but it's also not loved. I would say that they are just neutral to women's standards, and they are a pair of cap-toe Oxfords. Now, I guess due to its simplicity, they see the Oxford as dress shoes that most men wear when they have to wear dress shoes. Simple design, but more attractive than the wingtips in their eyes, and probably not as outdated grandpa shoes. Now, another shoe that sits in the neutral zone for me are penny loafers, which is sort of my default style shoe. But yeah, no love or hate on these, but I do get love when I wear the horsebit loafer. Now, my guess is the shiny horsebit is what draws, women's attention to these. And this design is like, synonymous with high-end fashion brands like, Gucci, Ferragamo, and Prada. Horsebit loafers have also been around, has been trending hard lately, especially with the thick lug soles. So I'm guessing that's why women love this style of shoe. It's a shoe that they can see themselves wearing as well. My next complimented shoe is a tie between the Chelsea boot and lace-up boot. My guess is as good as yours as to why they like these, but it could be the sleekness of the Chelsea boots or the ruggedness of a lace-up boot that they find attractive in a man. Who knows? But all I know is that these are great, date night options. More specifically, the Chelsea boots. The next one may be a bit of a surprise. I don't even have it here. Give me a sec. Now, as I was saying, the next one may be a bit of a surprise for you guys, but I've gotten loads of compliments and looks whenever I'm wearing my double monk straps. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but these are a hit with women, and I'm guessing it's the straps that grab their attention. Now, I am hypothesizing here, but I'm assuming since women love strap heels, they somehow like the male version of it. I don't know, or maybe it's something that they don't see many guys wearing, and it's a bit fashion forward as well. But yeah, I've been complimented on these a lot. And I also remember shoe shopping one time with a girlfriend, and she was so drawn to that boot. What's it called? That Joder boot, the one that has like a buckle and a strap on top. She really loved those and she wanted me to get them, but I didn't because we were at Steve Madden. What the I'm not going to spend any money at Steve Madden. But if you ever want to indirectly fish for a compliment or divert your attention to your shoes next time you're having, a conversation with someone, do the good old leg over knee move and see how they respond. It could lead to a compliment on the spot, or it could have them looking at the shoes, back and forth while they're talking to you, which kind of means that they are feeling your shoes, I think. But yeah, that is my list of my most complimented loved shoes in chronological order. Let me know which shoes get you the most compliments. I know some will mention the boat shoe. I know they get a lot of love from women. I really never tested that theory. But maybe during the summer, I doubt it though. But yeah, guys, that wraps up this video. Wear what you like, wear what you love. Don't worry what anybody else says or thinks about your shoes. Even though my wingtips and brogues don't get much love, I'm still rocking my damn my Todds right here. This is my recent pickup. These are suede. I love these. I don't care what anybody says. And yeah, if a woman tells me that she hates seeing me wear these shoes, guess what I do? I wear them every time I see her. Because you know what else is attractive as well is confidence in yourself, confidence in the choices that you make, and that you're comfortable, not always, you know, changing yourself based on other people's opinion. Anyways, don't want to go on a rant here. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.